Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to walk you through how to add product filtering to your Shopify store, something every online business owner should know for helping customers find exactly what they're looking for. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up and customize powerful filters on your shop, making your products way easier to browse and boosting your chances for more sales. So let's get started. First, begin by heading over to your Shopify admin page. This is the main dashboard where you manage everything about your store, from products to orders. And it's where we'll kick things off. If you're not already logged in, just pop in your Shopify credentials and you'll land right on the dashboard. I always like to double-check this step, because everything we do today will come from this admin area. Once you're inside, take a look at the left-hand sidebar and select Apps. Now, Shopify apps are add-ons created to extend the functionality of your store. Think of them as little helpers that automate tasks or add new features. We're going to use an official app for product filtering, so click Apps to open that section. In the Apps section, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type Search and Discovery in there and hit Enter. The Search and Discovery app is specifically designed by Shopify to handle advanced search and filtering, so you know it'll work seamlessly with your store. If you've used other filtering apps before, you'll probably find this one is much more tightly integrated with Shopify's built-in tools. Once you see the Search and Discovery app in the results, go ahead and click Install. At this point, Shopify will ask you to confirm the installation. Don't worry if you see a little loading animation or if it takes a minute for the install to finish. These kinds of apps sometimes need a moment to set up the proper permissions and connect to your store's catalog. If you run into any prompts about permissions, feel free to read through them. But in most cases, the defaults are what you want. After the installation is complete, it's time to customize your store with filtering options. This is honestly where the magic happens. Think about it from a customer's point of view. Maybe they're searching for only red shirts or items in a certain price range. Custom filters let your visitors narrow down their search quickly, which leads to happier shoppers and more purchases. Go into the app settings within the Search and Discovery app, and you'll find the customization section for filters. Here's where you have a lot of flexibility. You can set up filter categories like size, color, price, brand, and any other attribute that makes sense for your products. Take your time to decide which options matter most to your customers. For example, if you sell shoes, size, and color filters are super important. If you're offering electronic gadgets, maybe you want to allow filtering by features like battery life or compatibility. After you've set your filter choices, apply them to your store. Usually there's a Save or Apply Changes button at the bottom of the settings page. Once that's done, head over to your storefront, either in preview mode or by simply visiting your shop in a new browser tab, and check out the new filtering in action. You should see those filter options now appearing on your product collection pages, making it much easier for shoppers to drill down to just what they need. And that's it. You've added and customized product filtering in Shopify. With just a few straightforward steps, you've made a huge improvement to your store's usability and professionalism. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share how filtering helped your shop. And if you want more Shopify tips and tutorials, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your store.